Trucker Jonesy here, check it in. As you can tell, I'm recording this video not from a Freightliner. Not sure if any of y'all can guess what kind of truck this is, but this is the Kenworth that I posted in an earlier video. Yep, I got it up and running finally. It had some motor work done to it and found out transmission was bad too, so I went ahead and got that replaced and loaded and rolling. Currently training the driver on the Freightliner. I mean, he's off this weekend. I'm running a short run and I train him during the week, but got a driver I'm training on the Freightliner. He'll take over for me for a while. On that, I'll be running this truck, and I'm actually in the process of looking for a day cab for a local account that I've got that I'm going to put this driver I'm hired currently on. And I got a buddy of mine that might want to come run for me and run my Freightliner over the road. So slowly but surely expanding the business. I got 2 trucks, working on number 3. But yeah, I just figured I'd just post this little video, check in with everybody. Right now it's the 4th of July weekend. Like I said, I'm on my way back in from making a delivery. Hope everybody be safe, be careful, enjoy your time with your family. If you got to travel safe. And keep an eye on for my future videos. I got some that I need to edit and put on here, but a little chaotic since I've got to run a company and try to take care of stuff at home. So when I get a chance, I'll post it. So as always, keep your shiny side up and rubber down. We'll catch you later.